Wipe fresh silicone with a dry rag immediately, then retool and remove any remaining residue with alcohol once it skins. For quick correction, start by acting before the silicone skins, which usually takes a few minutes depending on humidity and temperature. Keep a clean, lint-free dry rag or paper towel and a disposable tool like a plastic putty knife or a wooden stir stick on hand so you can smooth or lift the bead immediately after application. To retool, press the bead gently with a wet finger or a small wet sponge to achieve the desired profile while keeping movements steady and unidirectional to avoid smears. If silicone has already begun to skin over used denatured alcohol or isopropyl alcohol on a clean rag to soften and lift the final residue, rubbing lightly until the surface is clean. For thicker globs or drips that cured fully, you will need to cut them away with a sharp utility knife or a silicone remover product, then clean the substrate with alcohol before reapplying. Always test alcohol and mechanical removal on a hidden area first to ensure it does not damage finishes. The most common mistake is waiting too long to act, which lets the silicone cure and makes removal a lot harder. So keep supplies ready and work in short sections. Another frequent issue is using the wrong solvent like acetone on painted or plastic trims, which can cause damage. Use alcohol and test first. The third concern is smearing while retooling, which creates an uneven bead, so use steady single direction strokes and a wet finger or sponge to finish cleanly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for cleanup and caulking repair, and it provides contractor profiles and project examples that make comparing options simpler for us. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and trade real-world advice.